Imagine building a home that costs 30 to 40% less than traditional construction, uses ancient architectural wisdom that stood the test of time for thousands of years, and creates a living space so unique that people will stop in their tracks when they see it. That's exactly what you get with a Rondavel Barndominium. And today I'm breaking down the real costs, the stunning design possibilities, and everything you need to know to build one of these incredible circular homes in 2026. If you're serious about alternative housing and want to discover one of the most overlooked building options in America right now, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you're not going to want to miss what I'm sharing today. Let's dive in. What is a Rondavel Barndominium? So what exactly is a Rondavel Barndominium? Let me paint you a picture. A rondavel is a traditional African circular dwelling that's been used for centuries across southern Africa, including South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, and beyond. The word comes from Afrikaans, and these structures are also known as Konan cylinder or conundrum buildings because of their distinctive shape. Now here's where it gets exciting. Take that ancient circular design that's proven itself for thousands of years and combine it with modern barndominium construction methods. You get a Rondavel Barndominium, a circular metal building home that blends traditional architectural brilliance with contemporary materials and living standards. The traditional Rondavel was built with locally sourced materials like stone walls, thatched roofs made from grass, and floors finished with a mixture that included cow dung to create a hard, smooth surface. The roof structure uses wooden poles radiating from a central apex point, covered with hand-sewn thatch. The entire process of completing traditional thatch can take anywhere from 1 weekend for basic construction to a full year for artisan quality work. But in 2026, we're taking this concept and modernizing it. A Rondavel Barndominium uses steel framing, metal roofing, concrete foundations, modern insulation, and all the amenities you'd expect in a contemporary home. You get the stunning circular architecture with its incredible structural advantages, but with the durability and efficiency of modern construction. Here's what makes the circular design so brilliant. The round structure naturally distributes loads evenly, meaning you don't need complex internal bracing. The shape is aerodynamic, which makes these homes incredibly wind-resistant, a huge advantage in storm-prone areas. The circular form also maximizes interior space for the amount of exterior wall you build, giving you more usable square footage for your construction dollar. The real costs breakdown. Let's talk numbers because this is where Rondavel Barndominiums really shine. I'm going to give you honest, researched 2026 pricing based on current construction costs. For a 30-foot diameter Rondavel Barndominium, you're looking at approximately 707 square feet of interior space. Here's the breakdown. Shell costs include the steel frame and metal roof package at approximately $18,000 to $24,000. Concrete foundation and floor at $8,500 to $12,000. Exterior metal siding at $5,000 to $8,000. Windows and entry door at $3,500 to $6,000. Shell total runs $35,000 to $50,000. For turnkey finishing, you need insulation at $4,000 to $7,000. Interior framing and drywall at $8,000 to $12,000. Electrical system at $6,000 to $9,000. Plumbing at $5,500 to $8,500. HVAC at $4,500 to $7,000. Kitchen and bathroom at $15,000 to $25,000. Flooring at $4,000 to $7,000. Interior doors and trim at $3,000 to $5,000. Turnkey total runs $85,000 to $130,000, which works out to approximately $120 to $184 per square foot. For a 40-foot diameter Rondavel Barndominium, you get approximately 1,257 square feet of living space. Shell costs include steel frame and roof at $28,000 to $38,000, foundation and floor at $15,000 to $20,000, exterior siding at $8,000 to $13,000, windows and doors at $6,000 to $10,000. Shell total is $57,000 to $81,000. Turnkey finishing includes insulation at $7,000 to $12,000, interior work at $14,000 to $22,000, electrical at $10,000 to $15,000, plumbing at $9,000 to $14,000, HVAC at $7,000 to $11,000, kitchen and bathrooms at $25,000 to $40,000, flooring at $7,500 to $12,000, finishing work at $5,500 to $9,000. Turnkey total runs $142,000 to $216,000, approximately $113 to $172 per square foot. For a larger 50-foot diameter Rondavel Barndominium with approximately 1,963 square feet, shell costs run $75,000 to $108,000, while turnkey finishing brings the total to $215,000 to $335,000, which is approximately $110 to $171 per square foot. Compare these numbers to traditional rectangular home construction in 2026, which runs $150 to $300+ per square foot, and you can see the cost advantage immediately. You're saving 20 to 50% on construction costs while getting a completely unique home. Stunning design possibilities. Now let's talk about what makes Rondavel Barndominiums so visually stunning and functionally brilliant. The circular design opens up design possibilities that rectangular homes simply cannot match. Interior layout options are incredibly flexible. You can create a completely open floor plan with the kitchen, living, and dining areas flowing seamlessly in the circular space. The lack of corners creates natural traffic flow and makes the home feel more spacious than the square footage suggests. You can also use curved interior walls to divide the space into pie-shaped rooms radiating from a central living area, which works beautifully for bedrooms and private spaces. Many Rondavel Barndominiums feature a central great room with bedrooms arranged around the perimeter. This creates privacy while maintaining the open feel. The circular shape also lends itself perfectly to loft designs, where you can add a second level around the perimeter while keeping the center open with soaring ceilings. Exterior aesthetics are where these homes really make a statement. You can choose modern metal finishes in any color, from classic barn red to contemporary charcoal gray or natural weathering steel. Stone or brick accents on the lower walls create a beautiful contrast with metal siding and pay homage to traditional Rondavel construction. Large windows positioned strategically around the circle provide 360-degree views and flood the interior with natural light. The roof design is crucial. You can go with a traditional steep cone roof that creates dramatic interior height and allows for loft space. A lower pitch cone roof gives a more contemporary look while still maintaining the circular aesthetic. Some builders are even incorporating cupolas or skylights at the roof apex, which creates a stunning focal point and brings natural light into the center of the home. Outdoor living spaces work beautifully with circular homes. A wraparound deck or porch follows the home's curve and provides covered outdoor space around the entire perimeter. You can also create multiple entrance points around the circle, with each opening to different outdoor areas like gardens, patios, or workshop spaces. The structural advantages. Here's where the ancient wisdom really shines through. The circular design isn't just beautiful, it's structurally superior in several important ways. Wind resistance is exceptional. The curved walls deflect wind rather than catching it like flat walls do. This makes Rondavel Barndominiums incredibly storm resistant, with the ability to handle high winds that would damage rectangular structures. In hurricane or tornado-prone areas, this is a massive advantage. Load distribution is naturally even. The circular shape distributes roof weight uniformly around the perimeter walls, eliminating the need for complex load-bearing interior walls or extensive structural supports. This gives you complete freedom with interior layouts and makes modifications easy. Material efficiency is another benefit. A circular structure encloses the maximum amount of space with a minimum amount of exterior wall. This means you use less material to enclose the same square footage compared to a rectangular building, which directly translates to cost savings. Energy efficiency is surprisingly good. The circular shape minimizes exterior surface area, which reduces heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. With proper insulation, these homes can be incredibly energy efficient, with lower heating and cooling costs than traditional rectangular homes of the same size. Design challenges to consider. Now let's keep it honest. Rondavel Barndominiums aren't perfect for everyone, and there are some real design challenges you need to understand before you commit. Interior space planning requires different thinking. Fitting rectangular furniture against curved walls can be tricky. Beds, dressers, and sofas work best when placed near the center or positioned to complement the curves rather than fight against them. Built-in furniture that follows the wall curves is often the best solution, though this adds to construction costs. Kitchen and bathroom design takes extra planning. Standard rectangular cabinets don't fit well against curved walls, so you'll likely need custom cabinetry or creative positioning. Bathrooms work best when positioned as standalone pods with straight interior walls, even though the exterior is curved. Window and door installation requires custom framing. You can't just pop standard rectangular units into curved walls without building out flat sections first. This adds complexity and cost compared to straight wall construction. Resale market considerations are real. Circular homes appeal to a specific buyer demographic. In traditional suburban markets, you might face longer selling times or need to price more competitively. However, in rural areas or markets that appreciate unique architecture, these homes can actually command premium prices. Permitting and zoning can be more complex. Some building departments aren't familiar with circular residential construction and may require additional engineering documentation. Always check local codes before you buy materials. Building process and timeline. The construction process for a Rondavel Barndominium follows a similar timeline to traditional barndominiums, but with some unique steps. Planning and design takes 4 to 8 weeks. You'll work with an architect or designer familiar with circular construction to create detailed plans. Engineering is crucial here because the circular structure requires specific calculations for proper load distribution and structural integrity. Permitting typically takes 4 to 12 weeks, depending on your location. Rural areas with simpler codes move faster, while urban or suburban areas may require more extensive review. Site preparation and foundation work takes 2 to 4 weeks. The circular foundation is actually simpler than rectangular because you're working with consistent curves rather than corners. Many builders use a circular concrete slab with a thickened edge beam. Steel frame erection can happen in just 1 to 2 weeks. The radial roof structure goes up quickly once the wall frame is in place. This is one of the fastest phases. Exterior closing, including siding and roofing, takes 3 to 5 weeks. Metal roofing on a cone shape requires skilled installers, but goes relatively quickly. Interior finishing is the longest phase at 8 to 16 weeks. This includes insulation, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, drywall, flooring, cabinetry, and all finishing work. Total construction time runs 6 to 10 months from groundbreaking to move-in for owner-builder projects. Professional builders with dedicated crews can sometimes complete construction in 4 to 6 months. Cost comparison with traditional homes. Let's put the costs in perspective with real 2026 numbers. For a 1,500 square foot home, traditional construction costs $225,000 to $450,000 at $150 to $300 per square foot. A Rondavel Barndominium of similar size costs $165,000 to $258,000 at $110 to $172 per square foot. You're saving $60,000 to $192,000. The cost savings come from several factors. Less exterior wall surface means less material cost. Simpler structural requirements reduce engineering and framing costs. Faster construction means lower labor costs. The ability to do more work yourself in a barndominium build reduces contractor expenses. However, you do have some additional costs to consider. Custom cabinetry for curved walls adds $3,000 to $8,000 over standard cabinets. Specialized roof installation may cost 10 to 20% more than standard roofing. Engineering and architectural design for circular structures can add $2,000 to $5,000 to planning costs. Even with these additional expenses, the overall cost remains significantly lower than traditional construction. Regional cost variations. Location dramatically impacts your final costs. In the South and Midwest, construction costs run on the lower end at $110 to $140 per square foot. The Northeast sees higher costs at $140 to $190 per square foot. The West Coast and mountain states range from $130 to $180 per square foot. Hawaii and Alaska can exceed $200 per square foot due to material shipping costs. Rural locations offer significant savings on land and often have simpler permitting processes. However, You may need to account for well installation at $5,000 to $15,000 and septic systems at $10,000 to $25,000. Financing considerations. Financing a Rondavel Barndominium can be more challenging than traditional homes. Many conventional lenders are hesitant with non-traditional structures. Your options include construction loans requiring 20 to 25% down, land equity loans if you own the property, USDA rural development loans if you qualify and the property meets requirements, owner-builder construction loans from specialized lenders, or cash builds where you pay as you go. Some builders find success by completing the exterior first to make the structure appear more traditional to appraisers, then refinancing to complete the interior work. So, should you build a Rondavel Barndominium? Here's my honest assessment. This is perfect for you if you want a truly unique home that stands out. You appreciate the blend of ancient wisdom and modern construction. You're building in a rural area with flexible codes. You value cost efficiency and want to save 30 to 50% over traditional construction. You're comfortable with circular living spaces and creative furniture solutions. Or you're building in areas with high wind exposure, where the aerodynamic design offers real advantages. This might not be for you if you're in a restrictive HOA or urban area with strict architectural guidelines. You need traditional rectangular rooms for your lifestyle. You're concerned about resale value in conventional markets. You want straightforward financing options, or you prefer standard off-the-shelf cabinetry and fixtures. My bottom line is that Rondavel Barndominiums represent an incredible opportunity for the right person in the right location. The combination of dramatic cost savings, structural advantages, energy efficiency, and absolutely stunning aesthetics makes these homes a standout choice in the alternative housing world. The circular design has proven itself for thousands of years, and modern materials only make it better. If you're serious about building a Rondavel Barndominium, here are your next steps. Research local zoning and building codes for circular residential structures. Find architects or designers experienced with round home construction. Visit existing round homes or rondavels if possible to understand the space. Get quotes from multiple metal building suppliers who can work with circular designs. Connect with builders who have experience with non-traditional structures. Create a detailed budget, including all the unique costs I've mentioned. Consider starting with a smaller diameter to test the concept before committing to a large build. Have you built or live in a Rondavel or round home? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest, detailed breakdowns of alternative housing options that can save you serious money while giving you a home that's anything but ordinary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.